Those who fail our imperious leader are sent here forever.
This is a Blight prison.
So how did you get here?
I told you they would come, and with Genie. Now let me go. That was the deal. Genie's power can open the vortex. You can all escape. See ya, losers.
As you've discovered, a prison vortex only has one way in, but with some extra power.
My power is from light, and not for the Blight.
You're not taking Genie.
This time, I have my own personal guard. I will escape this place, then take the throne from Brannock. Attack! In the name of Rot!
1, 2, 3, Holt!